welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Vamos a empezar. Hola! Welcome back. So today we're going to try out a new Saviland kit that came out. And let me tell you, there's a couple of them out there. They just kind of like played around with the colors, and I really like this kit because it's straight out a beginner's kit. It comes with all the basics that you need to do polygel nails. So if you're into some polygel nails or you're looking to be into some polygel nails, definitely consider this kit. I'll link everything down below. It came with all the essentials. 6 beautiful 15 milliliter polygels, comes with your base coat, your top coat. It also comes with slip solution, which is perfect. It also comes with some pretty little stones / rhinestones in a million different colors. Comes with a file, a brush. It comes with a chunk of nail forms and dual forms, and some really cute butterflies that you can use for any occasion. Then it also comes with this cute little lamp that is low in wattage, but if you like put it a couple times, it'll definitely cure your polygel correctly. So let's get right into the swatches, because this is my favorite part, y'all. 6 different polygels. We're trying number 8 first, and I'm definitely trying these swatches a little different nowadays, so bear with me. This is number 8. It's a really pretty see-through pink. Number 11. This one is legit my favorite. Look how pretty. I love it. It's like in the middle of purple and brown, pink mauve, and this one's a really pretty light pink. Look how beautiful. Then we have pink bloom, and I do have some of these in my other kits, but they like put them in one beautiful kit. So then diamond pink. I love this one. Look at that. And it's so glittery. Like, there's no clear showing. It's just chunks of glitter on glitter. And this one's pink silver. So all of these colors were super beautiful. You can use them for any occasion. And I wanted to come up with something that was like winter themed. So I prepped my nails, pushed my cuticles back, cut them, buffed my nails. Then I put some tips, Burano tips that I'm really loving, on top of my nail extensions. I know I'm putting them on top of my nail extensions. Don't do this if you want your nails to last. I just did it because I like my nail extensions and I don't want to take them off. So do the base coat and cure that for 60 seconds. Then I basically went in with some different polygels, and let me tell y'all, remember how I told you that Saviland's glitters were so sticky? Yeah, well, they upgraded their formula because this one was not sticky whatsoever. I was literally waiting for it to be sticky. Like, I was expecting it to be sticky. And cuando me lo puse, I was like, what? Yo, I was so surprised. And I just love how glittery it is. You don't have to, you don't see any like clear, you know, like some glitters, there's like more clear than glitter. Like, come on. So I just put one big bead. If you're not comfortable with one big bead, definitely split it into 2 or 3 beads until you get comfortable with the polygel and you build your apex right. But I already had the gist of how to do this and my apex was perfect, so I just did one old big bead and I went ahead and cured that for 60 seconds. color, I'm using number 11, and like I said, this one's my honest favorite one. Like, the color is so beautiful. I can use it like on a regular basis. So I did one big bead and I put that directly on my middle finger and cured that for 60 seconds. Now for my ring and pinky finger, I am using the two pinks, Pink Bloom and Pink Mauve. So I'm gonna do an ombre. Now you might have noticed that I had some white residue, and I honestly think this happens mostly with this brand, Saviland, and I just think it's like very particular as to what slip solution you use, because I used Burano slip solution and this white residue happened again, and I noticed it happens more to this brand, so I need to play around with it and see exactly what the issue is, why it creates white residue when I am applying my polygel. I personally think it's the type of slip solution you use, because I think I've used like regular Saviland slip and it was fine. When I use alcohol, sometimes the residue happens, and maybe it has to do with the formula too, but just keep an eye out and make sure you keep your fingernails clean, because you don't want to put a top coat and then you have like all that white residue under. It's just not gonna look cute. So I was literally cleaning between beads, because I was just like, I do not want these nails to come out jacked. So definitely did that, and then I did my ombre, and I am curing in between for 60 seconds. I went ahead and semi-clear capped my ombre nails. I'm using number 8, and since number 8 is light enough, I went ahead and used it. This one is like that really pretty light pink, but you're not gonna really tell because it's a really bright pink under there. So I just wanted to clear cap that, and I clear capped it with number 8. Then you want to cure that for 60 seconds, and then I went ahead and cleaned my nails. y'all, so after I shaped, buffed, and filed my nails, I went ahead with some top coat and I put that on my glitter nails because I wasn't going to add anything on top of them and I just didn't need them to be in my way, so I just finished those first. Then I cured that for 60 seconds. After I cured that, I went ahead with some Makartt nail foil glue, and I'm still trying to get the hang of this. I went ahead and used the Pearl Glitter Shop foils, and I love these foils. I bought Valentine's Day ones too, so I'm excited about that, but I just cut a strip off because I hate when like the rest of it is like dangling around. And I already messed it up, so I know I'm using my finger. I ordered the proper tools. Don't worry, that's coming this week. I just didn't have the proper tools, so I just did with what I could. So, like I said, I'm still trying to get the hang of foil. I don't know if I'm doing it wrong or I just don't have the proper tools, so we'll find out when I get it later today if there's an actual difference. But I thought it came out cute for my first time. It's not so horrible. I did go ahead and use these cute little gems, and I used the pink ones for my ring finger and my pinky finger, and they were just kind of like cuticle gems, so I'll let y'all watch that real quick. So after I cured that for 60 seconds, I am just going in with some cuticle oil to rehydrate my cuticles. But y'all, look how pretty. It's very simple. The kit is very affordable. And let me tell you, I told you I was going for winter themed. I think I kind of nailed it. The foil, I will get better, I promise. But winter themes don't always have to be blue, okay? You can make it whatever color you want it to be as long as you make it you and you go all out and do what you want with it, you know, just have fun with it. So I really enjoyed this look. I hope y'all enjoyed this look. Make sure you let me know down in the comments down below. If you're not a part of the DIY Familia, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. And as always, nos vemos en la próxima. Hey!